Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and the endless view of the North Sea. That's exactly what Cour Retreat in Denmark offers. A summer home designed to blend seamlessly into the dunes while giving you a front-row seat to some of the most dramatic coastal scenery in Europe. From every angle, the house captures the raw beauty of the windswept landscape, inviting nature right into your daily life. At the heart of the design is a central courtyard. It's more than just an outdoor space. It acts as a natural buffer, connecting the main house with the annex while protecting you from the strong coastal winds. Here, you can enjoy the sunshine and privacy, or step inside to experience the same openness through expansive glass walls framing uninterrupted views of the sea. What makes this retreat truly special is how it balances openness with intimacy. The large glazed openings bring the landscape indoors, while the courtyard creates moments of quiet seclusion. It's a home designed not only for living but for retreating, where every corner feels like a calming pause from the outside world. The exterior tells its own story too. Clad in untreated cedar, the house will age gracefully with time, taking on a natural patina that connects it even more deeply with the dunes. The sedum-planted roof enhances biodiversity and helps the home disappear into the landscape. Cour Retreat isn't just a summer house. It's a thoughtful blend of architecture and nature, where harmony is the ultimate luxury.